Hello. Now, before we talk about the different characteristics or systems of government or types of government, let us define state structure. Now, state structure is simply the way a state is run by the kind of system or the government it operates. Now, as I said before, there are different types of government or systems of government. You have unitary system, you have federal system, you have monarchy system, amongst many others. Now let's begin with unitary system. Unitary system of government is a system where the governmental powers are vested in one central authority, is given to just one central authority. There are no other regions. All loyalties, all powers come from that central authority. Now, this kind of system is practiced in small countries like Monaco. Now, here are some features of unitary system. 1. All power comes from the central authority. 2. There is no dual loyalty. 3. The central authority is the strongest government. And 4. It adopts a central or unitary constitution. Now, let's look at factors that give rise to adopting a unitary system of government. Number 1 would be the size of the country. Now, a small country doesn't need to adopt another kind of system of government since it's a small country. So, a unitary system of government will be suitable for a small country. 2. Absence of fear of domination. 3. Absence of tribal differences. 4. Absence of minorities. And 5. Strong loyalty to the center. Right, next, let's consider some advantages and disadvantages of unitary system of government. Now, here are some advantages. 1. It fosters a spirit of oneness amongst the people in a unitary system. 2. Unitary system is cheap and easy to run. 3. There is no friction because there are no minority groups. 4. Unitary systems make for a strong and stable government. Let's move on to the disadvantages. 1. It encourages dictatorship. 2. It doesn't allow for wider participation or representation. 3. It is not suitable for a large country. It only suits a smaller country. And 4. It ignores the minorities in the system. In our next video, we shall be talking about federal system of government.